Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. And if this is your first time of you coming across this channel, please make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Now, let's look at the problem that we are given. It reads m raised to the power 8 is minus 144 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of m. To start with, we say solution. Okay, now since we are given m raised to the power 8 minus 144 is equal to 0, now this becomes, now recall that m raised to the power 8, this one can also be expressed as m raised to the power 4 times 2. Okay, this equals 0. When this one is moving, you will have plus 144. Okay, then the next step, we can express this one as power law of indices. Now we say this is m raised to the power 4 raised to the power 2 when this one is equals 144. Okay, now we have m raised to the power 4 raised to the power 2 is equals, we know we can also express this one as 12 raised to the power 2 as differences of 2 square. Okay, now from this point we can still move this 12 raised to the power 2 to this part. Now we say m raised to the power 4 raised to the power 2. When this one is moving, I'm going to have minus 12 raised to the power 2, then everything becomes 0. Then now what are we to do here? We just need to apply differences of 2 square, just like if you have a raised to the power 2 minus b raised to the power 2, this becomes a raised to the power a plus b into a minus b. That's exactly what we are coming to do here. Okay, now what are we to do? We say this is m minus 12, m raised to the power 4 minus 12 into m raised to the power 4 plus 12. Okay, then everything becomes 0. Now what are we to do next here? And we know we want to find the value of m. Now we can say either m raised to the power 4 minus 12 becomes 0. Then we can say here, we say m raised to the power 4, this becomes 0 plus, when this one is moving, you are going to have 12. Now we have m raised to the power 4, then becomes 12. Okay, now since this is m raised to the power 4 is equal to 12, but like want to find the possible value of m. Here, what are we to do next? And we applied again. It has 2 ways now. If you want, you can apply power law of indices by expressing m raised to the power 4 like, and we know m raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2 again, just like having this is a power, this is also a power. Then if you want to have this, you multiply the same powers for you to have the same answer. Then this equals 12. Now we have we know this is a square. Now we square both sides. If you want, squaring both sides, this is moving. Now automatically you can say m raised to the power 2, this is equal the square root of 12. Now since you are not asked to find m square, the question says we have to find the value of m, then you can still say this is moving also. Okay, if this is moving also, then we say you're going to have something like this. This m then becomes another square root of 12. You're going to have something like this. Then expressing this one for you to add value of m, now we say m here becomes, this is 12 raised to the power half, then it is still raising to the power of half again. Okay, then to find the value of m here, we see then m then becomes this is 12. This is a power, this is also a power. And remember, having two powers, we apply power law of indices. Then we say half times half. This is just like you're going to have 1 upon 4. So therefore, we can say the value of m automatically becomes 12 raised to the power 1 upon 4. Okay, so this is the value of m that we have to find in regards to the problem that we are given. Then you can still say, if you don't want to use this method, you can still take it from this point. Okay, you can still take it from this point, and you know this is the fourth root. If this fourth root is moving, you're going to have the fourth root of 12. Expressing it also, you're going to have something like this. Then so this is the value of m that we have to find. Then you can verify it from the question that you are given. Remember, and we know we are given, let's say verified. Then since we are given m raised to the power 8 minus 144, then everything becomes 0. Now I want to verify to see if this answer is correct. Then substitute here. What is m? We know m is, we have m as 12 raised to the power 1 upon 4. Now it is still raising to the power of 8 minus 144. Then this must be equal to 0. Applying power law of indices. Now we multiply the two powers. Then multiplying the two power becomes 12 raised to the power, and 1 times 8, this is 8 upon 4 minus 44, 144. Then everything becomes 0. Then this becomes 12 raised to the power 4 into 8, it is 2. Then minus 144, then becomes 0. Then simplifying this one, we can say 12 raised to the power 2, it is 144 minus 144, then everything becomes 0. We know 144 minus 144, this is 0, is equal 0. So automatically we are expressing that the value of m, it is 12 raised to the power 1 upon 4, as valid from the substitution that we make here. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.